Coleman diesel-fired stove. I don't know how old it is. But it rips. I just lit it. Takes quite a while to get going, 5-10 minutes. That's the control. It's we don't use this tank. It's got a copper tubing that goes out to a 150-gallon tank, which we use for all kinds of other stuff, not just the stove. This big boy here. I got it. The one on the right goes to the stove, and then I got a diesel faucet for whatever I need it for. Red dyed diesel. I love watching it warm up. It's starting to go. It'll glow red. You can overheat it. Turn it up all the way, it glows red, and black smoke pours out the chimney like a steam engine train. I just replaced the flue. This elbow here, the bottom is rusted out. I put a new one on. Well, I didn't do anything with the flue. I had to move it 90 degrees. It used to point this way. But I turned it, so I just replaced the elbow. Makes a good sound. It's gonna get too hot for my camera. My camera's only an inch and a half away from the top of this. It's starting to get hot. See if I can figure out the model number. I was going to show you the model numbers. I didn't realize my camera had shut off. Anyways, there you go. This is I don't know what this is, the control valve. And I have to put this pry bar on here with some weight to hold the button down. That button right there. I don't think this button actually does anything because it will burn with it off. But, well, I shouldn't say that because sometimes it will go out. And it's usually when this is up. So a lot of times it won't stay down on its own. It'll pop up on its own and shut off. So I put this pry bar on it. It doesn't usually shut off. I mean, rarely. That's my hillbilly, brush oaky way of holding it down. And then I was trying to show you these model numbers, but I don't think I can't read them. $871 and BTU output 35,000. I don't know what code, something. Oil burner stove. Use oil not heavier than number 1. I don't know, it's a serial number. I wish I knew the date. I don't know what that number is. In the middle. God damn it, I can't read it. Anyways. It's old. My wife's grandfather put this in along with this garage in the early 80s. But I have a lift over here with the Chevelle on it that I know was made between 1929 and early 50s anyways. A single post lift. And it's old. The Globe lift. But the Chevelle's got a short in it, so, or anyways, lift works, and it's pre-war, I think. Single post, you know, you can spin it all the way around with a car on it on its way down. So everything Grandpa used up here was old because he owned gas stations and a fuel trucking company, and he just had stuff left over when he retired. So who knows how old this thing is. See if I can show you down here. It's ripping now. Ooh, it's too hot to touch. Works good. Anyways, there you go. Model 871 Coleman.